What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the error while updating worn items when trying to add or remove cosmetic items from your Roblox avatar. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While on the roblox.com site, or when using the mobile app, make sure that you're logged in to the correct Roblox account and ensure a reliable network connection. In the Avatar section, click on the name of the item which you're unable to add or remove from your avatar. From here, click on the burger menu on the top right and select Where. Alternatively, click on Try On or Take Off on the item's preview. You can then head back and the error while updating worn items will be fixed. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.